Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I am so slow. I just took off the makeup I did for another video and I thought I was done and I was like, I want to show you all this new makeup I have gotten over the holidays, Black Friday, just winter sales because it's some really amazing stuff and I'm like, I'm gonna film the video anyway, so y'all don't mind if I'm not wearing makeup, right? We're friends. You guys have seen what I look like. So, anywho, I'm taking advantage of this time because my toddler is sleeping and I need to film this so I could put it away. Some of this is going to go in my kit, some of it is going to go in my personal collection. So I have a big box right here. Some of this is PR as well, so I'll tell you if it is. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you, I got this a couple of months ago, but it's worth mentioning because I actually love it. It's the Pop Beauty Lit AF Essence, and it's like a serum. I didn't expect a lot of it because I don't think of Pop Beauty as like a skincare brand, but it's really nice, and I got two, so I'll be doing a giveaway, but this is like really absorbs into the skin really nicely after you wash, so that way you're way more hydrated than just a moisturizer alone. And if you're a dry skin girl like me, you need this, so I was really happy about this, so definitely check that out. I got a couple more things from Pop Beauty just recently. And let's see, it is their Makeup Magnet Mist. So I actually have another one that I tried, which is pretty good. That's different packaging. This is the Flash Down Liquid Eyeshadow, which looks like a really pretty copper color, crushed copper. We have Plump Pout Volume Gloss. Clear eyes, can't go wrong with a clear gloss. And then this is a light show palette, and it's like gold and orange tones. My friend is getting married next week. I might actually play with some of these colors because she wants a gold smoky eye. So that works out really nicely. This is a BoxyCharm box. So a lot of the stuff I'm going to show you is from BoxyCharm. I actually bought this part of their, they have like a pop-up shop, which is the best deal ever, y'all. I'm going to leave a link below. I actually bought a membership just so I could shop their pop-up sale because they had the best brands for dirt cheap. It took a while to ship, but it was worth it, and I actually bought it and had two BoxyCharm boxes sent. I think I spent like 28 bucks a month, but I was glad because the two boxes I had really great stuff in it, so it was worth it. But I did discontinue my membership because I don't really need a box every month of new stuff. But I ordered this actually as a gift for my brother for Christmas, but I ended up getting him some other stuff, so I'm either going to keep it or gift it to him for his birthday, but it's a skincare box. So it's full of skincare. I think I paid about $30 for it. It's got Murad in it. It's got Touch and Soul. It's got Georgette Klinger. I've heard of some of these brands. Symbiosis, London. So he's really into skincare, so I thought this would be a really great gift. I mean, honestly, like once you get into skincare, you actually like it more than makeup after a while because you get addicted to how good your skin feels. So I want to show you some items from Patrick Ta. So I've been obsessed with Patrick Ta for a long time now. I really love his work. And he started he started like a beauty line, and I always was like lemming over his stuff, but I just never purchased it. And recently he came out with like an influencer program, and I was so lucky that little me got invited to be on the list to review his products. So I'm not getting paid to talk about this, but I do get basically like they track the sales, so I get affiliate sales from it. But this is the Patrick Ta She's Thirsty Dewy Milk Mist. I just filmed a little reel for this because I really believe if you have dry skin to use some kind of moisturizing mist multiple times throughout the process of makeup application, because it makes a huge difference. And this one is really nice. It's gentle, and it smells like, it's like almost like skincare. Like it smells like herbal in a good way, like a spa. So that's that. And then I also got the Patrick Ta, I didn't pick it, they sent these to me, the softening lip mask, which I'm going to put on right now. It's really nice. It feels super hydrating and creamy, and it's got like a cinnamon kind of minty vibe to it, but not too strong. I like that. It feels so smooth. And then the last thing I got from them is the She Must Be New lipstick. It's matte suede finish. It's not super matte though. It's comfortable on the lips, so I did another reel using this lipstick. It's like the perfect vampy dark color for winter. So, and really beautiful packaging, y'all. Quality packaging. Okay, so I placed an order at the beauty bakery. I've never bought from them before. They were having this deal where you got this free little Brownie Bar face palette if you made a purchase. And I was like, or I think it was like you got this for free. And I've been wanting this because Jordan Liberty talks about using it as a contour palette for deep skin. So I was really wanting this for my kit. So it's got shimmer to it, and he says that the shimmer makes it more skin-like for photography. So I'm going to definitely try this on my friend because she's brown skin for her wedding next week. And the thing that I purchased to get that is the Brownie Bar, which is another great thing I think I might try on her. I'm always looking for really deep tones for darker skin tones because I have a lot of darker skin tone clients. And look at this gorgeous gold highlight, orange blush, and that beautiful chocolate bronzer contour. This is so pretty. Like, you don't see these kind of tones a lot, so when I do see them, I grab them. Okay, so I got a couple of things from Dixie, one of my favorite tried and true skincare brands. They sent me this cute little gift set. It's got a glow mud mask, glow tonic, and glow cleanser. So I'm definitely going to gift this away because it's just perfect packaging. And they also sent this little gift set, and it's multi-toning. Their glycolic toner is my favorite. I will use it every single day. This one has the milky tonic, glow tonic, and retinol tonic. Okay. So I ordered some, I took advantage of all the winter sales to stock up on my kit favorites. And I got the silicone base foundation from Temptu. If you airbrush, y'all, this is the most beautiful finish everywhere on anyone. It gives a really flawless, dewy, like perfect airbrush finish. So I got the SB set. And I usually just buy this and it lasts me a long time and I just get another one. So I was running low on a couple of colors, so I just decided to get another one. So I have a couple of things from Glossier. This is my first time trying them. They had a sale, so I love that they come with this like padded little Ziploc that's reusable. So I bought the famous cloud paint. It was like you could buy these duos and it was like cheaper than buying them single. So I bought 4 shades. Dawn, which is an orange. This Dusk, which is like a peachy. Spark, which is like a reddish kind of tomato. And Storm. So I'm excited to try this. I really love cream blush and I wanted to add it to my kit, and this is like the perfect size. I'm going to play with them on myself first though to see how pigmented they are. And then I ordered a couple of things from, oh, I also got this from Temptu. This is a SB adjuster set. I bought this actually for when I teach makeup at the makeup school. I teach airbrush. I wanted to have another adjuster set because it's really good to add to the foundations to make them the perfect shade. Okay, so I also ordered from Juvia's Place. I really wanted to try some of their lip colors. I have a bunch of their eyeshadow palettes. I have way too many. So I got, and a lot of the things I wanted were sold out, but I did grab a few things. So a couple of lip pencils. I haven't tried these yet, but I always love me a neutral brownie kind of lip pencil. I got these shades here. So you can see they're all kind of brown toned. Okay, so again, I'm going to try this on myself and then probably move some of them into my kit. I love, like I said, a brown pencil. Like, it's my go-to for any lip color. And the 3 lipsticks that I got were these shades. I like how the box is reflective of the shade color. So the first one is called Barely Bare. And it's obviously a nude. By the box, you can tell. So, oh no, this is not, this is a lip gloss. Just kidding. Yeah, so I wanted more lip glosses in my kit because I have a lot of lipsticks, but I felt like a gloss would be the perfect topper. And this is a really good nude pink. So there's that. Kiss Me is a little bit more pastel than I thought it would be. Oh no, it's not. Just kidding. The box is just... Okay, so the box doesn't necessarily look like the lip color. This is like a perfect mauve pink. This would look really good as a nude on deeper skin tones. And then Caramel Rose is more of a brownie pink. Okay, so definitely excited to try those out. Those are all on sale. Everything I got was on sale. Okay, so the last things I got were from the pop-up shop at BoxyCharm. So I bought a bunch of things from Kosas. If you haven't heard of this line, this is what all the pro makeup artists are using, and I see it on Instagram. I'm like, oh my god, I want to try it. So they have this is called the Future Foundation, and it is a tinted face oil. Oh my god, so up my alley. So I got a couple of shades. I got shades 5 and 7. I'm gonna open one for you because I'm always looking for like that perfect everyday easy breezy color. So it's really liquidy. I'm gonna see what this is like. I love the packaging. It's super hygienic. This shade number 5 might be my shade. It looks like it right here. So it's very oily, which I love, and sheer. So you could put this on every single day and it will be the perfect amount of moisture and coverage. And oh my god, it was oily, but now it dries to like a powdery finish. Wow. Okay, so I can't wait to try that. I bought that for myself. I bought some Viseart palettes. So if you know anything about Viseart, French brand, this is like the best eyeshadow in the world. And these palettes are like $80. So they were dirt cheap. So I bought this one. This is a classic, the matte, I forget what it's called, like the neutral mattes, classic one. These are the best matte shadows, and you use them with every single makeup application because of like they're neutral. So I bought that, and then I bought another neutral palette. This is new to me, but it has some other really great shades in it. So I can't wait to add that to my kit. I tried depotting them and I kind of ruined some of them, and they were old anyway. So okay, so I got some more things, 2 more things from Kosas. This is the cream blush and highlighter. And I wanted to try it because I'm a big cream blush fan, and as you can see with the cloud pants, I wanted some more, but this is like a duo, so I thought that was pretty cool. So it's got, oh, this is like the perfect color for me at least, like an orangey and kind of like a rose gold shade. So I can't wait to dip my fingers into that. It's called High Pigment Intensity Double Color Payoff. So it says high intensity, so I might have to go in with that with a gentle touch at first. Okay, and then I also got this Smashbox Lid Primer in medium. I thought this would be great for my kit. The medium shade will be perfect for deeper skin tones because it won't be ashy, you know what I mean? So I'm excited. I needed that. I used to use a yellow colored one from Urban Decay, but I can't find it anymore. Like, I don't know if they stopped making it. Then I got my sale, the Hourglass Soft Brunette Brow Pencil. So even though my brows are microbladed, I still fill them in a little bit. So Hourglass is a great brand. Can't wait to try that. And of course, I could not get some Fenty. So Fenty was on sale, and I was like, boys want to try Fenty, but I'm really cheap, and I don't know if they have a pro program. So I bought a couple of things. I bought the Matchstick Trios in Deep and Tan. So the Deep would be more for like my kit. Tan would be for me. So it's got like 3 shades, like a tan, a darker one, and like a shimmer. So the thing about these is that if I use them in my personal kit, I would have to squish them onto a palette because I don't ever want to touch the product to the face. But if this is your personal one, it's fine. So as you can see, these are the colors right here. Okay, so I can't wait to try those. Those are good shades. I got that in Tan and then Deep. I think this is such a great set. Like, it makes picking out your your contour and shimmer so simple. So this is called the Conceal Contour Highlight. So the tan shade would be the conceal, the dark shade is contour, and then the shimmer highlight. So I got those 2. I got a mini Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. So I think a lot of people use this and they like it. gonna have to play with it. I currently use like the Becca primer, which is very intense, so this is more of a soft matte, and I use Embryolisse Hydro Matte too. So the only thing about this packaging is that it's kind of heavy because it's glass, so it's not necessarily kid friendly, but we'll try it out. And the last two I got were some highlights. So I got the Killawatt highlighter and For You Thoughts. That's the name of the shade. Makes me giggle. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Yeah, this would be gorgeous on a really deep skin tone, or even as a blush, or a bronzer, or a highlight, an eyeshadow. Okay, and then the other one I got is a duo. I'm trying to get my money's worth. I love when it's like a duo. So this one, oh, this is pretty. This is like right up my alley. Afternoon Snack and Mauve Honey. I would totally wear this, like right up my alley. Okay, and then you got like, did I get this? I think I got this from Shein. It was like a lip gloss duo. I ordered some stuff from Christmas in there, and it's like a lip gloss duo. Maybe good, maybe trash, I don't know. I will see. So that is my makeup haul. A lot of really good stuff. If you've tried any of it and you have feedback, let me know. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Look forward to having intensive tutorials and looks in the coming next months. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Makeup by Renren. I will post a lot of these things on stories and reels and on my page. And if you have any requests using these products, let me know. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.